Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Chris Han. I review fashion, beauty, and lifestyle products on this channel. Okay, so I've tested a lot of IPL hair removal devices over the past few years. And today I'm going to share a new device that I recently tried and really loved. This one is designed with both beginners and long-term users in mind. And it's this device in my hand, MimiSilk Peach Fuzz IPL hair removal device. After trying it for about 4 weeks now, I have some thoughts. And if you're wondering, is this one different from the rest? Or if you're just new to IPL, never tried IPL hair removal devices at home, and overwhelmed by so many different options out on the market, don't worry, I've got you covered. So in today's video, I'll walk you through what it does, how it works, so you will actually see the real results from different starting points. So be ready for a lot of information about the hair removal routine using IPL at home. And let's get started. First of all, this is the original box of the device, and I love the packaging. It's like a very high-end and sleek. So here is a video clip that I shot a couple weeks ago when I just received the MimiSilk in the mail. Now let's unbox it. First impression, this is sleek, minimal, and feels luxe without being bulky. Inside the box, you get everything you need to get started right away. You have a whole bunch of accessories, charging base, power adapter, safety goggles, razor, user manual, and the device. Honestly, the packaging, in my opinion, is 10 out of 10. Clean, compact, and beginner friendly. Now let's talk about a little bit technology and the features of the device. What makes MimiSilk stand out? First, it's FDA cleared. This device has the most global safety certifications that I have ever seen. It's got FDA cleared and also got certifications from Europe to the Middle East. And also it uses high energy IPL. So this device is actually very powerful, very effective, but it's still gentle on the skin. And it's also a very efficient device. It treats the skin pretty quickly. You can do a full body session, full body treatment in as short as 10 minutes. Unlike a lot of laser treatments in professional salons or clinics, this one uses IPL, which is a broad spectrum light. It covers more skin surface area and it's much less painful. You may feel some tiny tingles in some sensitive spots, but nothing too sharp or too stingy. Overall, it's pretty comfortable. Another reason that I love about this device, it's got both manual mode and auto mode. Use the auto mode where you can just activate it by pressing this button here, the flash button, for 2 to 3 seconds and turn it on, and you can just glide and go. It treats the skin pretty smoothly and quickly. This is perfect for large areas like your arms and legs. Switch back to manual mode if you're treating smaller areas like your upper lip, underarm, bikini lines, where you need more precise control of the treatment. For different hair density, different skin areas, you can customize your treatment by selecting different energy levels, the intensity. You can use a smart mode that automatically adjusts the intensity, the energy levels for you, which is amazing for new users. Now let's move on to a quick demo. I'm going to show you how I use MimiSilk IPL in my skincare routine. Step 1, shave your skin first. Use the razor they give you. The skin should be clean and dry before you start your treatment. Step 2, plug in the device, put on your goggles, and hold the wrong button for a few seconds to activate the smart mode. Step 3, hold the light window flat against your skin at a 90-degree angle. You'll feel a light zap, but it's nearly painless. I've used the other IPL devices before, and this one is quite comfortable. For best results, use this 3 times a week for the first month, and then about once every 2 weeks or monthly just for maintenance. You can use the device for anywhere you want to remove unwanted hair. Arms, legs, underarms, bikini lines, you name it. Try to avoid any skin that's above your cheekbones, especially your eyes. And before you purchase the devices, make sure you check out this sheet. This device works the best for skin that's very fair to light brown. It is not recommended for very deep skin, for dark brown skin. And for hair colors, as you can see, it's not working for any red, gray, or light blonde hair. If you're wondering the results can be permanent or not. IPL works by targeting the hair follicles at their active growing phase. So after your initial hair removal treatment, you can see up to 80% hair reduction. But maintenance is key because not all the hair follicles are at the same phase, not at the same growth phase at the same time. For the best results, you can use this 3 times a week in the first months, and then every 2 weeks or once a month for maintenance. For my own skin, I had laser treatments in clinics before, like many years ago, and some IPL hair removal treatments at home as well. My hair was already like pretty fine when I started with MimiSilk, but I think this one is perfect for touch-ups. It works very effectively on some stubborn hair, on some areas like underarm, bikini lines, where I used to have very dense hair. And honestly, I think using IPL at home is such a convenient option. It's a lot easier than going to clinics for hair removal treatments. So if you're ever thinking about switching your salon visits to at-home treatments using IPL, I mean, this is the way to go. Now, here's the interesting part. I tested on my husband's skin. He is pretty new to IPL. He didn't really try a lot of IPL devices before, maybe waxing like once or twice. So he's new. And I helped him shave his skin first and then tried this IPL hair removal treatment. But after just, I would say, 4 to 5 treatments, you can see this is a big difference. Very straightforward, very easy to use, and I love the results. So both of us have been seeing great results. My touch-up sessions just work so nice. I only use it like once or twice, but as you can see, the hair almost like stopped growing back, and the skin texture, the skin smoothness have been improved. It is very impressive. These days I can stop shaving almost like entirely. If you're new to IPL, here are some of the tips that I want to share. Always use the low intensity first. Start with level 1, level 2 on the skin area that's not that sensitive, maybe the outer side of your arm, and let your skin get used to it. And gradually you can increase the intensity. Especially for some sensitive areas like a bikini line, inner thighs, you should always use very low intensity. And you should always keep the cooling feature on. This function is really important for your comfort during the treatment, and trust me, it makes a big difference. I like devices with effective cooling feature like this. And for some area where you have stubborn, like denser hair, you can increase the frequency. You can increase the intensity over time. So you can customize your treatment plan depending on how dense your hair is. But make sure you always monitor the reaction of your skin. Don't overuse it. So final thoughts. Okay, I think MimiSilk Peach Fuzz IPL hair removal device is the perfect intro if you have never tried IPL before. But at the same time, it is also powerful enough for long-term users to see more permanent results for continuous use. Just like myself, I only use it for touch-up sessions. It is a great device. Whether you are touching up your poster later or just get tired of like endless waxing, shaving, these more like traditional hair removal methods, I mean, this is a great option. This makes hair removal at home so much easier and more cost efficient, and actually I would say enjoyable. Plus, it's also great for all genders. Here's the good news. If you're interested in trying MimiSilk, they are having promotions. So I have the codes and the link in the video description. Click the link in the video description or go to mimisilk.com to find this device. Let me know in the comment section if you want a 2-month update. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel if you haven't. And I will see you in the next one. Bye!